Alright, so here it is. Check these things out. These are amazing. They fit almost absolutely perfect. Got these from Walmart. They're a little pricey, about 15 bucks a piece, but it says the home exclusive on it. And what's nice is that they don't have much of a lip here. I find the lip makes it harder. You know, you get less storage because they're curved and stuff like that, a lot of these things. But these fit into each other, which is neat. And this is a 10 by 20 by 6. I'm not advertising for Walmart. Not a huge fan of Walmart anyway, but these fit in absolutely perfect. I'm very happy with these. So you guys can see here, this is where my sunshades are going to go. Now it's either going to sit here, it's going to lay down here. It depends on the size of the tote I get for the bottom. I kind of like it here because it holds my other tote up here in place, which is kind of nice. Take you around to the back. And you can see I got two hefty organizers here. There was a lot of work, believe it or not. It was, trying this and getting rid of this and taking this back or whatever. I put a lot of work into finding what fits halfway decent. These things fit actually pretty good. They're in there firm, but I kind of like having them in there a little bit firmer because then they won't slide out while you're driving. And these are going to be for clothes. So this is kind of nice. And I'm going to leave this one kind of open. I'll probably put something up here at some point. But I wanted to leave that open just in case if I decide to put something there. This one down here, I found something that fit absolutely perfect. This is about 24 inches deep, which is great. You still have room to put stuff down here, but you can take this full thing out. You still can, have room for like your boots or whatever's going to be down here. That's kind of cool. And you got a little compartment even down here. You have a little bit more room under that. So that's neat. Let me see here. Over here, this right here is going to be where on the bottom, on the top, you guys know what's going to be here, but on the bottom, this is where I'm going to put my sheets and everything like that, and my bag from my, when my mattress is out, I'm going to put my bag in here, and that'll be perfect right there. What else do I have for you guys? I just had all the differential fluid, the transmission fluid, the oil changed, and everything else. So I'm pretty much set to go. I'm waiting for a couple of parts when for my solar panels to come in the mail. Actually, a couple cables. So yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching.